The Texas Education Agency is releasing new guidelines on school districts reporting positive coronavirus cases. Abilene ISD Superintendent Dr. David Young spoke to reporters this afternoon about the new case reporting standards and the pandemic's impact on AISD's enrollment numbers. Our Dan Booth has the story.
There are really kind of three sections of that reporting, and it's done by the individual campus.
The Texas Education Agency is now requiring school districts across the state to report the number of confirmed positive coronavirus cases to the TEA on a weekly basis.
When you were notified, who notified you? Was it the health department? Was it an individual? What is the grade level of the student? Have you notified them? The last question is, did you have to shut down the school because of that case?
Dr. Young says school districts have the opportunity to report new cases as soon as they're discovered, and that's what Abilene ISD plans to do.
You can report them all at once. You can report them as they happen. I think it's going to be easier for us to report them as they happen to just stay on top of it. You're reporting both your student and your staff cases.
According to Dr. Young, this school year, Abilene ISD has about 1,100 less students enrolled than last year. He says this is a much larger dip than the district normally sees, and they're not the only ones.
Even the ones our size, the Lovett's, the Tylers, the San Angelo's, Corpus is a little bigger than us. They're seeing significant enrollment drops as well.
Dr. Young says the decrease in enrollment could have an impact on funding statewide.
There are funding implications associated with enrollment, not just in Abilene, but it really, if there are that many students less in schools across Texas, that will impact the whole foundation school program.
For BigCountryHomepage.com, I'm Dan Booth.
Thank you, Dan. According to Dr. Young, individual school and district staff are working on specialized plans to make sure all the unenrolled students receive the help they need.